Hi guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Z. I know my surrounding may look a little bit different because today in today's video we're going to be making coconut drops. So we're going to be doing it outdoors, and we're going to be doing it not on a coal stove but on a 2-burner outdoor stove. So let's get straight into the video. So after your water has come to a boil, this is about 5 or 6 cups of water, you're going to add your coconut that is finely chopped. And this is 2 small coconuts. There's various ways of doing this, but I'm going to do this the non-traditional way. So I'm going to do a little bit of the traditional and non-traditional way. So I'm going to let this boil on high heat for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to add all the other spices and stuff.
A few moments later.
So this has been boiling for about 20 minutes. So now we're going to add our sugar, and we're using about 2 cups of sugar. Half cup of ginger. Some vanilla. This is some nutmeg that we're putting in it. So we're going to let this boil for about another 30 minutes until it is all boiled and it's reduced.
A few moments later.